Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. By the title and by that intro, you can already guess what time it is. It is time for February favorites. And when I'm looking at all this new amazing stuff that I discovered this month, and I just am beyond excited to share with you guys. And also, this is the first time I'm coming on YouTube with makeup, and I think my last two videos I came on here with no makeup on because I haven't been going through it. I kind of have and I kind of haven't, but the main stress in my life right now is moving. If you know, you know. I've literally spoke about it a million times. I'm in the middle of moving. I have to fully be packed by next week. And I'm not even close to being done. With that being said, we need to get into this video because I need to go pack because, yeah, like I said, I have to be out of here by next week and I'm not even near done. So, jumping right in. So the first product I want to talk to you guys about is actually because this hair that's right here is driving me absolutely nuts. So since I've been taking a hair growth vitamin and since I've really been focusing on growing out my hair, my baby hairs, especially right here, have been out of control. So for the most part, I've been using brow gel, but I recently fell in love with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Frizz Tamer. And as you guys saw, it literally just took that piece and moved it. It doesn't leave a white cast. It doesn't make your hair crunchy or anything weird. It literally just tames your frizz and your flyaways, and I absolutely love that, mainly for getting these baby hairs out of my face because they just come down right here. They have no place, no business being right in the center of my forehead. I look like a freak when they do that. So this product has been absolutely game-changing, life-changing. I think it's around $5. Why did that take so long to focus? That's annoying. But I think it's around $5 at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, all those good places. I'll have it linked down below though for you guys. All of these products will be linked down below. But yeah, if you're like me and you struggle taming your frizz, if you struggle with any baby hairs, flyaways, this you are gonna want to pick up because it is game changing, and I love that it doesn't leave my hair feeling crunchy or leave a white cast. It just gets everything out of your face and then you're done. I love it. I'm sticking with hair. So TRESemmé, you guys, either reformulated, redid something, but they have new packaging. So this is their new workable hairspray, and it comes in this fun new packaging. I love this. If you turn the nozzle this way, it's strong hold. If you turn it this way, it's a flexible hold. And you guys, it is absolutely amazing. I love this new brand revamp, whatever the heck they're doing. I love it. I actually discovered this new lineup in Target in Florida. I was in Florida this month, and you guys, I discovered this there and I was like, oh my god. So I picked it up and fell absolutely in love. TRESemmé makes some of my favorite hairsprays. I really don't buy high-end hairsprays. I mean, at this point, I'm really not buying anything high-end when it comes to my hair and stuff. Absolutely obsessed with this. Cannot get enough of it. And sticking with TRESemmé, they also launched a hair perfume. So you know that signature TRESemmé scent? That is literally in this bottle. And you guys, when I discovered this was actually the first product that I discovered when I was in Target, and I was like, oh my god, I'm getting this immediately. You guys, your hair will smell incredible. Oh my god, this literally smells insane. So the notes are golden vanilla and sandalwood. This was $11 and you get 1.35 fluid ounces. So maybe a little expensive, but at the same time, when you think of a hair perfume at Sephora, it's $40. So this, in my opinion, is 100% worth it. You will get little whiffs of it throughout the day, and I just absolutely love that. You guys know me, I love to smell good. And this, you guys, I am absolutely obsessed. So this new, it's called the A-List collection. That's actually, I just realized that it's on the back of both of these, the A-List collection. So yeah, both of these I am absolutely obsessed with, and I had to share them with you because they're at the drugstore, they're affordable, and they're freaking amazing. Next product, clearly I have been using it for a very long time, and as I was using it this month, I was like, wait, I've never spoke about this on YouTube. I've never mentioned it in the favorites, I've never spoke about it, but I have been loving it for months. So this is the Pre-Cleanse Cleansing Oil. You guys, if you are looking for something to literally melt every single ounce of makeup off your face, this product is what you're gonna wanna use. Clearly, I have been using and abusing it because I'm actually almost out of it. I am obsessed with this. You don't use any water with it. You literally put it on dry hands, dry skin, and then you work it in. It melts everything away like pure magic, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped or dry. None of that. You have none of those issues. I absolutely love this, and I was like, I cannot believe I have not spoke about this. If you guys don't know that I am absolutely prequel obsessed, then you don't know me because I am prequel obsessed. If you haven't tried anything from Prequel, I highly recommend checking checking out their cleansing oil and their cleanser. 2 of my holy grail products from them. I absolutely love that. But yeah, so this, you guys, I'm obsessed with. It does a great job at removing your makeup, and it's affordable. So you can get it at Target. So love it. Let's maybe stick with affordable, and then we'll end with high-end. How's that sound? So a discovery of mine that I literally cannot believe that I'm so obsessed with these. These are brand new from L'Oreal. These are the Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Lip Oils. You guys, clearly you can tell that I've been loving it because this one is almost out. This was the first shade I got. This is the shade Crystal Clear, and everybody was raving about them, and I was like, I'm really sensitive when it comes to lip oils or lip products in general. Like, I cannot just like put anything on my lips because honestly, you guys, my lips will swell. I'll get like little welts on my lips. Like, I'm just super sensitive, so I have to be very careful. So I got one shade and I absolutely fell in love with it. Then I was in Ulta when I was in Florida, and I saw this shade in the shade Milky. You guys, I am a pinky nudie girl through and through. It's actually the gloss I have on right now. I am purely obsessed with this. I have not been able to stop wearing this since I picked this up. I top off all my lip combinations with this because it's just a great, like, just like lip gloss finisher offer, lip gloss topper. Like, I am just obsessed with it. I do wear it on its own. I actually wear both of these on their own all the time, but I do prefer this one in the shade Milky to be on top of like my nude lip combo. I am just obsessed with them. These are like $12, so they are kind of pricey for the drugstore, but they give you, I thought my phone was ringing, but they give you a beautiful plump. They literally make your lips look so shiny and hydrated and healthy. They smooth out any dryness you have. I just dropped one, but I have this one in my hand still. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I cannot stop wearing them. I literally haven't been this obsessed with a gloss in such a long time. So if you were thinking about picking this up, yeah, you 100% should. It's crazy. My phone actually was ringing. It was my Nana. So I took a brief break, but let's get back into this. So I think I left off with the L'Oreal lip glosses. Now, I really want to talk about this setting spray because of the fact that I am like mind blown with it. Like, I really didn't expect anything from it because I've seen mixed reviews. I've seen a lot of people love it, and then I've seen like not a lot of people talk about it. Like, it came out, it was really hyped up, and then it kind of just like simmered away, and I don't really see people use it. This is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Soft Setting Spray. You guys, I genuinely love this setting spray. It's what I use today to set my face, and you guys, I think it does a beautiful job. It can, if you use too much of it, it can kind of like give you that tight feeling on your face. So don't like overdo it like you normally would with a setting spray, but do a few spritz and like that is it. I love it. It locks in my makeup. I literally, when I was in Florida, wore my makeup for one day, like from 6 a.m. in the morning till probably like 9 o'clock that night, and my makeup looked incredible. So I absolutely love this, and I'm really mind blown by this. So if you guys are looking for a good long lasting setting spray, you're gonna love this. And I also love it because it gives you that like lived in look. Like, you know when your makeup's been on for like an hour or two, it just kind of like settles and just looks so good. That's what this setting spray gives you. So I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I think it's great. So this, I don't know if I spoke about it last month, but it's actually the lip combo that I have on right now. So I have on the Milky Gloss from L'Oreal, then I have on MAC Flesh Pot. You guys, I'm not gonna spend too long on it because I think I did talk about it last month, but it's absolutely incredible. It is the perfect nude lipstick. Like, if you are a nude lip girly or a 90s lip girly, you're gonna wanna pick this up. I literally was wearing these two and then Makeup Forever Endless Cacao lip liner when I was in Florida. Obsessed was the only lip combination that I was wearing. Today I'm wearing Too Faced lip liner. But I love that combination, absolutely obsessed. So if you love a nude lip, MAC Flesh Pot, you guys, it is hyped and talked about a lot for a reason. So I wasn't going to buy any of the new Morphe brushes, but I was in Ulta, and honestly, I did want to buy them, but I was like, I don't need them right now. I don't need them right now. But you guys, this one caught my eye. Do you guys see the shape of this? Like, look at this. Look at the shape. This is the M203 powder brush. You guys, this is perfect for underneath your eyes. Like, I love a brush like this, and it's so dense that it picks up so much powder. And I love that. Like, I love a brush that's gonna really pack on the powder. This, you guys, does a great job at doing so. I have not been able to stop using it. I use it to wipe away the powder underneath my eyes. I use it to apply my powder foundation underneath my eyes. I use it to go like this and all over here. Obsessed. Again, this is the M203, so if you were thinking about picking up a brush from this collection, check this out. I'm absolutely obsessed. I do think that the quality feels really, really nice with this brush, and I do want to check out more of their brushes. I'm just in the middle of moving, so I don't need anything right now, but hopefully when I'm back in my house, I will buy some. Let's talk about the mascara that I currently have on. You guys, this is the new Lancome Flutter Extension Idol Mascara. I am absolutely obsessed with this mascara. It literally goes on your lashes beautifully. It lengthens them. It doesn't flake. It holds the curl. Like, it's just a beautiful mascara. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I have not been able to stop using it. I'm honestly probably almost out of this because, like, I just use it every single day. This wand is so unique. I love it. And yeah, 10 out of freaking 10. It's beautiful. Like I said, doesn't flake, holds your curl, and literally just makes your lashes look absolutely insane. So if you were thinking about getting the new Lancome mascara, I think that you 100% should. Talk about the last product, you guys. I cannot say enough good things about this. This is from Naturium. This is their Urea 5% body serum. You guys, if you are looking, I'm gonna show you guys what the consistency of this looks like. If you are looking to be hydrated on your body and you just want to feel nice and soft and you just need that extra hydration, but you don't want like the thickness of a body butter and you don't want like a body oil, you just want something that's simple, that's going to make your skin feel so soft and supple, you are gonna wanna pick this up. Fragrance free, but it has just like that typical like cream scent. You know, like that like Nivea scent? It kind of reminds me of that, but it's nice and fresh and clean, and it just feels amazing on your skin. Like, I just applied it and it's already like fully absorbed into my skin. Like, it doesn't leave a weird like layer on your skin, like none of that at all. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Naturium really did it with this one. It's just amazing, and I use it every single night before bed. I love it. I feel like I've been sitting here for literally hours. I need to get to packing because if I don't get to packing, I'm never gonna get out of my house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so excited about all these products because in my opinion, they're different than like my typical favorites video. Like, I had the hairspray, I had the lip oil, the cleansing oil, the setting spray, like the body care. Like, I kind of feel like it wasn't just like makeup favorites. It was like overall like body, hair, like makeup, everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.